We'll see you later for laundry.
The best laundry person ever.
Yes, right there. All right. This is what people do. You bag your laundry up, you bring it over, you drop it off. You can drop it off and pay the regular price and pick it up tomorrow after like 5 p.m. We need express because tomorrow we're going to another part of Thailand. So we need express service, so they're gonna do that for us. Double the price, but whatever. It's not that much for what you're getting. We'll show you guys exactly how they package it. They package it amazingly here. The way they fold underwear is something that they should be giving clinics on because they're so good at it. We are on our way to drop off some laundry. It's a great laundry service, you guys, and we definitely want you guys to see how to get your laundry washed and folded if you're here in Bangkok. So you come right here to this area and you see the laundry sign. Come down this alley here. Laundry, thank you. You walk down this little alley here next to Grace Massage. And here's all the ladies at Grace Massage. And keep going to the laundry service. Laundry dry clean. So let's take you inside and get our laundry done. Yes, we'd like to get laundry done, please. So what they'll do is they'll bring us a basket and we put our clothes in the basket, put it on the scale, and we pay per kilo. They'll tell us in a second. Thank you.
1 kg.
Yep. Can I Thank you. Oh, do you guys do like repairs, like sewing zippers and things?
Sorry?
Do you fix zippers?
They separate.
Zipper? Yeah, you fix? Okay.
Nah.
No?
You have fixed.
Like here,
No.
zipper broke? No. Okay, okay, that's okay. Got a lot of laundry to do.
Yeah.
Oh, 7.5. All right, 7.5 kilos. What's the cost per kilo again?
Only wash dry 100 per kilo.
120 baht, wash dry?
Wash and dry 100 per kilo.
100 per kilo, okay.
Yeah, wash iron 150 per kilo.
Yeah, just wash dry.
Yeah, it will be ready tomorrow 5 p.m. Okay?
Okay, is that
You
good?
want delivery to hotel?
If we were to do the express,
It's 200 per kilo.
So double the price. So guys, you can get express service here where they pick it up by 8 o'clock tonight, but it's double the price, 200 baht per kilo. Right now, we pick it up tomorrow by 8 p.m. It'll be 100 baht per kilo.
and what are we saying? It's
7.5.
7.5.
So it'll be 1,400, 0.5, that's 3.5, so 1,750. Up to you, baby.
So it's $25. Okay, so then if we do regular, it'll be done tomorrow by 8 o'clock.
595.
5.5. Yeah.
Can we do the express
Today?
Yeah.
But today around
What time?
8 p.m.
That's okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll take that.
You want delivery to hotel?
No, we can't because we're at the Hyde.
We can do this.
Yeah, they don't do delivery. But can we leave? We left our suitcase last time and they just put it in there. Is that okay?
Okay.
Thank you. So there you guys see they do wash and fold, and then we bring our suitcase because carrying 9 kilos of clothes through these little streets of Bangkok with all the people is very, very tough. So we're gonna get our clothes back tonight, and you guys will see afterwards.
And then,
1,500.
1,500. You have cash.
1,500 baht. 2,000.
I know that's pretty expensive, but I need my clothes. Dropping fast.
Okay.
All right, 8 o'clock tonight. Thank
See
you.
you tonight.
You too.
Thank you.
Here's the,
Wrap it up, baby.
here are the prices. Sometimes you just have to pay a little bit extra, but we get our stuff tonight. So.
It's that's the one thing that you can't avoid, no matter where you are, is laundry. And in our unit, we do have a washer machine, but it's a wash-dry combo, and the dryers in those things are terrible. We need our clothes today. We need our towels today, and we can't wait till tomorrow. So we pay a little extra, but as Vanessa said, they do a great job, and we know that by tonight we're gonna have all our clean clothes. As promised, we're coming back to pick up our laundry. Let's hope it is ready. I think it will be. Hello. We're here to pick up our basket.
Yeah. There you go.
All right.
Awesome.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Oh, you just leave it in there. I'll carry it.
All right.
Yeah. Thank you.
Good one.
Yeah, it's from
Thank
the
you so
condo.
much.
Thank you. I'll take this one. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Have a good night.
Back now, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank
All right.
you.
Thank you so much.
Thank
All right.
you.
See you later.
See you
Good
again,
night.
hopefully.
Cup and
Yes,
cup.
definitely. Okay. Bye-bye. And there you guys see how easy it is to get your laundry right here. Ayothaya by Nita laundry service. And the alley, I'll show you how to get here. You just walk through this alley. It's right in front of the Mercure Hotel. So you go to the Mercure Hotel. There's an alley right there for Grace Massage, and the laundry is right next to Breakfast Story. Wait till you guys see how they folded our laundry. You guys are gonna be like, wow, I can't believe they did that. So we're gonna show you when we get back to the condo, guys. All right, let's get to the condo. It's our last night in this condo, so we are gonna miss it. We're gonna miss saluting. Kapung kap.
Okay.
Security guard's great at the door. We're back in the condo. Pardon the mess because we're leaving tomorrow, so stuff is everywhere. You can see how it really is traveling and going from hotel to hotel. But baby, open these up and let's show them how they fold underwear.
Always packaged nicely. They must have some professional folders because look at how nice this is. So here's one of Tony's underwears.
You guys see that? Hold on, let me zoom
Nice
in.
little packet. Ta-da.
For
Here are the socks.
look at that, folded and paired for you.
There you have that.
Look at that, you guys. Those are extra large underwear. And then your clothes come folded for you.
Yes. So here are my jean shorts.
My shorts.
More shorts for Tony. My shorts. I mean, look at that. How nicely they fold everything for you. I think we are good.
That's it, guys. That wraps up our time here in Bangkok and our last day. Hope you enjoyed it. Tomorrow morning we have a flight just about an hour away, right?
Hour and a half, maybe.
Hour and a half. And we'll be coming to you from a new spot in Thailand. Completely different videos. This is going to be more nature, beaches. That's probably giving it away, but we'll see you guys coming from